You probably heard or seen people make thousands of dollars from the TikTok Creativity Program. TikTok Creativity Program pays thousands of dollars to creators. TikTok Creativity Program pays $1 for 1,000 views. But to get paid on TikTok Creativity Program, you need to have these 3 keys. First, you need to have 10,000 followers and 100,000 likes. The second one is choosing the right niche. And the last and the main important is you need to be in the allowed countries to get approved or join the TikTok Creativity Program. To join the TikTok Creativity Program, you have to be in the USA, UK, Germany, Brazil, and South Korea. But don't worry, even if you are not in these countries, you can join the TikTok Creativity Program. There is a method that one of my friends tried and he is still working with it without regretting it. So these method is not getting US a SIM card or using a VPN. These method is a 100% legit way to join the TikTok Creativity Program. It's getting US a TikTok account. Yes, you can have a USA TikTok account from anywhere in the world. Just go to usatiktokaccount.com and choose how many accounts you need and you're done. But you need to read the instructions because even after you buy a US TikTok account, there are things you need to do to ensure that you are from the USA, as well as you will get a 20% discount if you use my link in the description below. So I will leave a link in the description below. So after bypassing the location now, we need to choose a niche. I have already chosen a niche that is doing crazy on TikTok. These channel idea is called emotional texting. These TikTok account has 142,000 followers and 16 million likes. So if TikTok is paying $1 for 1,000 views, it means 0.001 cents for 1 view. So if we assume that these channel upload 2 videos a day, so let's add the 2 latest videos of these account, it is 79,300. So now let's multiply these by 0.001, okay? It's $79 per day. Now let's multiply these by 30 days, $2,379 in a month. But don't forget guys that we assumed that the account uploads 2 videos a day. It can be more or less even. It is differentiated in the number of views a video gets. So in these video, I'm going to show you how to create these videos step by step and how to make these videos go viral. So before we start creating these videos, let's see the first one video from these accounts.
Hey, do you have my charger?
Help me reject this boy. Oh my god.
Wow, what a loser. Who texted you that?
What?
Who sent you that text?
You did, LOL.
No, I didn't. I texted you about my charger. Go read the texts.
Wait, it's not there. Something weird is...
So as you see, these videos are like Reddit videos with text message form, but if you search like these videos on TikTok, all of them are talking about funny stories, so we need to make a unique one. So in the same way, but rather than a funny speech, I will choose a joke competition. You will understand what I meant just in minutes. So to create these videos, we need a script, voiceover, and background video. Also, I will add these ingredients to increase the video retention, sound effects, step 1 script. For the script, we will use ChatGPT. We will ask ChatGPT like these. I want you to write a 10-joke competition among 2 best friends that are too funny as a form of text message and give the besties a random name that is funny. Also ask ChatGPT to continue if it stops, as well as check if it can replicate the same joke sometimes. So now after we get the script, let's jump to voiceover. For voiceover, as always, I say we will always use 11 Labs because it's the best software for voiceover. I will leave a link in the description below to use it. Now we will choose 2 types of voice because we choose Chuckles and Giggles. Let's paste the speech of Chuckles. Okay, after that, let's hit generate. Okay, after we are done Chuckle voice, let's do now Giggles voiceover. Let's paste the script to 11 Labs. Now after done generating the voiceover. Now let's start by grabbing the voiceover to the timeline. Let's enter the voiceover by order and let's remove the gaps or silence one by one. After that, let's arrange them by order. After doing that, let's enter the background video of Minecraft. Okay, now let's add the text message screenshot the same with the voices. We need to make it exactly the same with the voices. After doing that, let's add sound effects. We'll add a message notification of iPhone. Okay, now we need to add background music. I always use YouTube Audio Library for choosing music, but you can use any website for that. Okay, now after we are done editing, let's watch what we created.
Hey, Giggles, ready to have a laugh off?
You're on, Chuckles. Prepare to be out-joked.
All right, here's the first one. Why don't skeletons fight each other?
I don't know.
They don't have the guts.
Ha 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 ha. Good one. Okay, why did the Scarecrow win an award?
Why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
Ha ha, nice. What do you call fake spaghetti?
An impasta.
Ha ha ha, classic. All right, next joke. Why did the bicycle fall over?
Why?
Because it was too tired.
Ha ha, nice. What did one ocean say to the other ocean?
I don't know, what?
Nothing, they just wave.
Ha ha, you got me with that one. All right, Giggles, you win this round, but I'm not giving up just yet. Prepare yourself for more laughter.
As the manager of this channel, I am genuinely thrilled to see that you've watched our video until the very end. Your support means the world to us, and we're incredibly grateful for your time and engagement. Thank you so much.